What's up, guys? Welcome to Editors United, and for today's quick tutorial we're going to be showing you guys how to basically crop out any image in very quickly. So as you can see here, I just found this online, like a little picture of some of the heroes from Star Wars, and as you can see we're missing Han Solo. So I found an image of Han Solo that looks cool. So we're basically going to crop him out and put him on this very quickly. All right. So first we're going to go ahead and go to the image that you want to crop out, which is going to be Han on this video, and then we're going to go ahead and press W. That's my shortcut to actually get to my quick selection tool. But if that isn't your shortcut, you can just go down to quick selection tool, and if you don't have it, you can go ahead and just find it in your full toolbar. All right. So once you find that, go ahead and go to your quick selection tool, not the magic wand, but the actual quick selection. Make sure you have it on quick selection. As you can see, we have a little circle here, and basically we're going to be clicking on the parts that we do want. Make sure you have it on the plus, because that'll be the parts that you do want to actually crop out. We'll go over the negative part next. Alright, so let's go ahead and crop this out. So we're going to click and hold, and then you can actually hold that and drag it down over his body. So right now I'm just dragging this over his head. Bam, they're looking kind of good right now. We don't have to be 100% accurate for this video, but yeah, we're basically just going over this. Don't worry if you get some of the background, that's totally fine. We'll get that out in no time. So yeah, you can just hold and drag, or you can click on the parts that you do want. So I'm gonna click on the gun, this part. I want that part of the gun. I want that part. I want that part. What I usually do, I go around the border of the character that I want. So you can go ahead and just fill out this whole character. Alright, so basically I got the parts that we do want to get edited out. Again, this doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but yeah, once you have that part that pretty much that you want to get clipped out, you go to the negative part up here. See the positive? Now we're gonna go to the negative. And the negative, now when we click on anything, it'll take that out of the crop. So we don't want this background here. So we're going ahead and either hold and drag the parts that we don't want, or you can just simply click the parts that you don't want. And as you can see, it does a pretty good job of actually taking out the parts that you don't want. And yeah, to make your brush bigger or smaller, you can use like the little brackets. The right bracket makes it bigger on your keyboard, and the left bracket makes it smaller on your keyboard. So yeah, that's my shortcut on how to quickly get those smaller. So yeah, let's go ahead and take out the parts we don't want. Alright, it looks good. So we don't have any background there. We just got his face there. Let's go ahead and push that plus again. Let's add in a little bit more of that hair. Again, yeah, you can get very detailed with this, but this is just a quick tutorial, so I'm not going to be going like very in depth on this part. I don't know how to get it 100% accurate like I would if I were doing this seriously or like professionally. So now I have it back on the negative. Bam, take that off. Bam, take that off. Alright, so we got the character looking great. Now we're going to go ahead and press Command C on Mac or Control C on PC. Go back to the image that you want to put the cropped image in, and you can then press Control V or Command V, and ta-da, we have the cropped image on the new image that we want. And as you can see, the image looks way better having Han Solo there. And as you can see, he's there. Bam, now he's on this. And as you can see, he has a whole head, he has a gun. There's a lot of different things to crop out. Some of his hair will blend into the background, but using that quick and simple quick selection tool, you can quickly edit out a character that you want, and then you can place them somewhere new. But yeah, guys, that's my quick tutorial on how to quickly crop out any character or any person or anything, pretty much any image, and do it very quickly. If you like the content, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, have a great day.